Let's try that. Good morning there folks, and welcome back to the channel and welcome back to the woodland. Thank you very much for taking your time to come out and join me today. And as you can see, as I mentioned, I'm out in the woodland and I'm out with a good friend, Alan. Say hello, Alan.
Hello.
We're out doing an overnight camp, and this is Alan's first time wild camping, isn't it?
Yeah, I've never been wild camping ever.
He's never slept in a hammock, he's never camped in the winter either, so it's a bit of a baptism of fire. So what was it showing temperature-wise on your car?
About -5, I think, this morning.
So it's a tad chilly, but we all like a winter camp. So stick around, we're going to get set up now and get some firewood prepped and do what we need to do. Guys, that's us all set up. We've got Alan there. Alan's set up in the DD frontline hammock with an olive green tarp and the under blanket. My setup's over here and I'm in the again DD frontline, but this time I've got the multicam under blanket and the 3x5 multicam tarp, and then we've got all the firewood prepped. Got a load of firewood prepped. We've got some more there just to the side behind Alan. And we've got our little shelter there just to reflect some of the heat off the fire. And I've got my new chair from Kilos Gear. It's absolutely cracking this. I've got another cover for this that's heated, but I didn't bother bringing it today. This is the first time I've actually used a chair. I got that sent out to me, so I'm buzzing with that. We're going to get the fire going. And how's Alan enjoying himself so far?
Oh, I'm alright.
Yeah. He's been quite tuneful. You're looking forward to the fire. It's hard work, isn't it?
Yeah.
We haven't cut the wood up into small chunks. We've left it there. We're gonna put it on and let it burn through, and then fold it in on itself, just to save a little bit of energy.
Sorry.
Yeah. Alan's been quite tuneful. All he's done is drop his guts all day. Right, Alan's gonna light the fire for us. The sun's gone down now, or starting to go down. There you go, quality. Never took long at all, that did it?
No.
I've brought some paper packaging from that was delivered over Christmas, so we're just putting that at the bottom of it, just to make sure we get a good start to the fire. Got plenty more of that on, Alan. Got like a big bundle on. And just sit it over it. There we go, keep it going. And then just try some of them twigs the little dry sticks that you brought out.
Yep.
Alan's brought us some little dry sticks out as kindling for the fire. So that's going to help it. That's going that. That's going that. Yeah, just scatter them on it. Start to go.
Basically a bridge.
Really?
Oh well. It was a model bridge.
Yeah.
It was absolutely
rubbish. Alright, no good.
So I thought it'd be better
burning it. Yeah, sacrifice it. Sacrifice it to our campfire.
Exactly.
Yeah. So it's a sacrificial burn.
Sacrificial burn.
Yeah, I like it. I like it. And we'll get some twigs on there as well. As you can see, the fire's going. We're going to need that tonight because it's forecast to be a chilly one by all accounts.
-25 I heard.
-25. That would be a nightmare, wouldn't it?
Oh, absolutely.
Yeah, I don't think we'd be out. Don't you coffee pouring? We might need a bit more. We might have to boil a bit more water.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, but we can soon do that.
You got any forks?
Yeah, I've got some. There's one in the front of you, the bag I brought you.
Oh, sound.
There we go. You're probably going to need to get it to give that a stir. Don't have a little drop of rum put in that.
Well, I wouldn't say no to a drop
Drop of rum. Be rude not to, wouldn't it? Just to keep the chill off though.
Oh yeah.
There you go. Bit more?
Excellent. No, that's fine.
Yeah, go on then.
I'll go and stir it.
Yeah, just to keep the chill off her.
Just to keep it going.
Right then, cheers everyone.
Cheers.
Cheers out.
Cheers, mate.
We're just
Cheers, Bri.
bright. Cheers, bright. Yeah, we're just sat chilling. What beer have you got there, Alan?
It's a greens again. It's a gluten-free triple ale, so it's like a basically a Belgium triple
Belgium.
ale.
Yeah, nice. All right.
Nicer, a bit warmer.
Yeah.
So I'll keep it in my hand.
I know. I think I might take my beers out and just put them closer to the fire, just to warm through, because mine are getting cold. I'm drinking a pale ale by Mad Squirrel, and it's called Roadkill, and it's a New England pale ale IPA, and it's another 6.5%. And these I got for Christmas off my daughter. So thank you, Grace. I know you're not watching, but thank you anyway.
This one's 8%.
8%.
Yeah.
God, that's quite a heavy hitter, like, isn't it?
Yeah.
I like me heavy hitting beers, like.
Oh yeah. I've gone for high percentage but less volume.
Yeah.
Hence I'm drinking bottles, so I'm not up all night whittling.
Yeah.
It's my pre-match ritual to drink strong but less quantity.
Quantity. Yeah.
And then you're not up and down every time you go to a
Because
football
you're
match.
of
or
that
a-
age now, aren't you?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah,
'cause
where you
of
need to-
slack bladder.
Yeah. Right. Cheers, everyone. We're just
Cheers.
chilling and enjoying time in front of the fire. Going to give it another hour or something like that, aren't we? And start get these steaks on the go.
And we're listening to nice country
Music. Yeah. Just enjoying being out in the wilds.
Not obviously now, because obviously
Yeah, we can't.
it's
have it.
switched off.
It's
and all that.
Right.
Copyright.
Cheers, everyone.
Cheers.
That's our evening meal cooked.
Oh,
And check that out. What do you think, Alan?
it's absolutely gorgeous, mate.
Yeah.
Yeah. Can't knock it.
We've got
The steak is like
unreal.
half a cow.
They are steaks. The steaks are massive. We've got mushrooms, portobello mushrooms with garlic, butter, olive oil, salt and pepper. We've got onions with balsamic vinegar, and we've got some potatoes, and as Alan mentioned, half a cow for a steak. Try one of those potatoes. What the tatties like?
Nice.
You get the rosemary, can't you?
Mm.
Yeah, it's really nice. Try a mushroom.
Mushrooms, yeah.
Mushrooms-
No, it's all nice. All elements.
Mushrooms are unreal, aren't they?
Yeah.
I love mushrooms. That is really good.
Washed down with a nice beer.
Alan's been wanting to see my culinary skills on the fire in person for a while now.
Impressed.
You impressed, mate?
Yeah. Spot on. I'd never cook like that. I wouldn't have a clue what to do. Well, I do now, but
Yeah. You're a bit
Needed some.
more. Let's try that steak.
steak's immense.
Is it alright?
Oh yeah.
We've seasoned the steak with, that's it, Old Bay seasoning.
Yeah.
And that looks absolutely delicious. I nearly swore then. That looks absolutely delicious. I don't know if you can pick that up. Let's try that.
Yeah.
Oh, you're alright? Oh my god, at least you saved your dinner. No, my god. Right, we'll get back to using them. We'll let Alan sort himself out. Well then guys, we are just sat chilling by the fire and having some laughs. It took us a little while to get over Alan falling on his ass off his chair.
Didn't happen. Never happened.
Didn't happen. Oh yeah, we've got video proof.
Damn it.
Alan's on another bottle of
Triple ale.
and I've
8%.
got this Coke Boa Wonderland, and this is can't you see without me glasses, a chocolate porter. So I'm on the dark stuff now. I'm going to the dark side, and see if I can see the percentage. Can you see that? Anyway, it shows you on the. I can't see without my glasses. But yeah, we're just sat now, chilling in front of the fire, and just having a good chat, listen to some tunes, and just enjoying being out in the woods. How was your first time ever wild camping?
It's warmer than I thought.
By the fire?
I'll have to see what sleeping's going to be like.
Yeah.
But as we stand, I've enjoyed it. It's
You've enjoyed
flown
it.
over and
Nice and toasty by the fire, isn't it?
most of the meal I ate, at the incident that never happened, I never dropped potatoes or anything on the floor when I fell off my chair. Didn't fall off my chair. But, yeah, it was a very nice meal as well. I was
Good.
Well impressed. And yeah.
But this is Alan's first time wild camping, and his first time camping in the winter. But he's not new to camping. He's camped parts of Europe and everything, haven't you?
Yeah, I've been in France and well, just France.
France,
really.
been
France and
the UK.
Yeah.
So he's not new to camping, but he's out tonight, and this is a new experience to him. So good on you, Alan, for giving it
Thank you. Yeah.
Giving it a shot, and be out again.
Yeah, I'll definitely have another go again, as long as the night goes all right. If I don't get attacked by werewolves or anything like that.
It doesn't have nightmares.
I've got some demons going on in my head. But, I've watched so many horror movies when I was younger. That was a problem.
Being alone in the woods and stuff.
No, joking apart, at the moment I'm enjoying life. It's really good. Yeah.
Good.
Yeah.
So what we're going to do is leave the video here, and we'll just have a little blast and look at that fire. And this is just quality. We all know how good this is. So cheers for now. Let's have a little taste of that beer.
We're going to have rum and cigars next.
Yep. And if anything else exciting happens, we'll bring this back. But if it doesn't, we're just going to sit and chill and enjoy the rest of the night. Just chatting, and as you do.
Definitely.
Bye for now.
See you later.
Alligator. Well, good morning there, guys. We're just enjoying a brew.
Yep.
It was absolutely cracking night last night, wasn't it? It was so funny.
Probably a bit too cracking.
Yeah. When Alan fell off his chair, saved his dinner though. But why? That was. I was no good, me there. I was just in bits laughing.
I'd only had like 3 drinks, so I wasn't drunk.
I know, yeah. As I say, we're just sitting, chilling with a brew, and then we're going to start packing up. And the fire's burnt down, so we're going to go and get some water, put our members out completely, and do away with the fire. So what we'll do, we'll bring you back as we're about to set off. Bye for now. Right then, folks, that's us all packed up and ready for the off. It's our kit there. Alan's over there, just finished packing his kit. How did you enjoy your first ever winter camp, wild camp?
It was better than I thought it would be.
Yeah.
Maybe the drink helped.
Yeah. It was good laughing, we had some good laughs.
Yeah, it was good. I enjoyed it.
Good food, good crack around the fire.
Learning curve for me.
Yeah, it was all good fun though, innit? Life's what life's about, all learning.
Saw some deer running around.
We just seen some more deer this morning. About 4 or 5 of them just running along the woodland, which was awesome, wasn't it?
Yeah, it was really good.
So like I say, we're packed up now. There's marketing our rubbish and what have you, and this is where we had the fire, just around here where you can see the fresher leaves. All you can see now basically is just where we've walked. We put plenty of water over the embers, and they've been scattered and cover, and as always, leave no trace. Right, thanks for watching. I hope you have enjoyed the video. If you're new around here, hit that subscribe button, give the video a thumbs up. It's much appreciated, and we'll see you on the next one.
See you later.
Bye bye.